Most teens who do yard work make the same mistake. They mow a lawn once, get paid, and then wait around hoping for another job. Meanwhile, that same neighbor needs someone to rake leaves in fall, shovel snow in winter, and put up Christmas lights in December. That's 3 or 4 different revenue streams from the exact same customer. But most teens just never think to offer them these additional services. But what if instead of random one-off jobs, you built a year-round service business with the same neighbors that you have? Summer, you're mowing lawns. Fall, you're cleaning leaves. Winter, you're shoveling snow and hanging up holiday lights. And by spring, you're back to yard cleanup. You're using the same customers, the same neighborhood. However, you now have 4 seasons of income. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up, what services to offer each season, and how to price them, and how to turn one lawn mowing job into a year-round client that you can do immediately. Hey, I'm Sen from Side Hustle Mastery, and this works for any teen who's willing to do physical work outdoors. You don't need to be experienced with mowing lawns and doing a lot of yard work. You don't even need your own equipment, honestly, to start. A lot of neighbors will actually let you use their own equipment if you're doing their labor. What you do need, however, is reliability. If you say you'll show up on Saturday morning, you need to show up Saturday morning. And that's honestly the main thing that separates teens who build real clienteles from teens who get one job and then never get called back. So if you can be consistent and you're not afraid to knock on doors, this can honestly become serious money that you can earn. So let me show you how to build this. First, you need to understand this. Most teens may underprice their services because they think being young means that you should charge less. And honestly, that's an actual mistake. Let me show you what you should actually be charging. Summer is when most people start, and lawn care is the obvious entry point. Here's how pricing actually works. If you're using the neighbor's equipment, their mower and their trimmer, you're looking at charging between $20 to $40 per lawn, depending on its size. You're providing the labor, and your neighbor provides you with the tools. If you bring your own tools, however, you can charge way more, like $40 to $70 per lawn. You've got the overhead equipment costs that you need to cover, and you've got wear and tear on your own equipment. So this is why it's better and it's justified to charge higher rates. Now, you don't want to make the mistake of charging $7 or $10 just because you're young. If you're solving a problem, your neighbor's lawns need mowing and they don't want to do it themselves, then you have to charge what that solution is worth. So don't back down and don't be scared of charging higher than what you expect. For example, adults who do lawn services, they literally pay like $50 to $80. So you can still charge less than that and still make good money. Now, beyond basic mowing, Summer has other services that you can offer. For example, weeding is a huge, especially after rainy periods, when everything grows like crazy, and nobody wants to spend their time just pulling out weeds in the heat. So you can charge by the hour or by the job. Pool maintenance is another one. If your neighbors have pools, skimming bugs and leaves daily can earn you around $15 per visit. That's honestly a quick 10-minute job, and if you do 5 pools a day, it's like $75 for less than an hour of actual work. However, if you want to earn way more, pool openings in spring is where the money is. This is because it removes all of those heavy winter covers, and then you need to clean up all that gunk that's left underneath. And that's honestly a real tough job. And professional services literally charge $300 to $500. However, as a teen, you could charge $150 to $250 and still make serious money for a day's work. Your neighbors will save money and you make way more than just mowing. Other summer services that you can offer as well is trash can cleaning for $15 per can, garage washing, driveway pressure washing, and if you can access a pressure washer. These are all things neighbors need done but don't want to do themselves. Okay, so summer is solid, but here's where a lot of teens stop because they don't realize that fall is just as lucrative. In fact, you might earn more from the services I'm about to tell you. So, in fall, when the leaves start dropping, you've got a new service to offer, and you can offer it to the same neighbors and the same customers as you helped out during summer. For example, cleaning up leaves is very straightforward. You just need to do raking or leaf blowing, then bagging everything up, hauling it away, or piling it up for pickup. A reasonable rate here is around $50 per yard, and most yards take about an hour to complete. If you've got 5 regular lawn care clients, that's potentially $250 $100 just from cleaning up leaves. And unlike mowing, which happens weekly, leaves pile up really fast. So some clients might actually need you multiple times throughout the season. The key here is reaching out to your summer clients before fall hits. You don't want to wait for them to call you. Send them a text or knock on their door in early September and say that, hey, I did your lawn all summer. You want me to handle leaf cleanup as well? Most of them are going to say yes because they already trust you. You can now also offer gutter cleaning in fall. Leaves clog gutters, waters back up. It causes quite a lot of problems. So cleaning gutters will pay quite well. Around $80 for a house front, sometimes up to $100 an hour depending on the size of the house. It's ladder work, so you got to be careful here and you got to know your limits. But it's a natural add-on to leaf cleanup since you're already dealing with the same problem. Leaves are everywhere. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Winter is when most teenagers disappear because there's no more yard work, so they stop making money. But winter actually has some of the highest paying services of the whole year. Snow removal is the obvious one, and the money can be ridiculous if you're fast. Basic shoveling rates around $20 to $45 per driveway, depending on size and how much snow there is. A typical driveway takes around 20 to 30 minutes to clear up. But here's where the math gets really exciting. If you're quick and you've got multiple clients on the same street, you can clear 4 or 5 driveways in literally 2 hours, and that's potentially $100 to $200 for a morning's work. You can now invest in an electric snow shovel or small snow blower, and you go even faster. Now you can do more driveways per hour, which means you can earn a lot more money. And there's an upsell most people miss, which is salting. A lot of people who shovel don't salt afterward, and ice is still a massive hazard. You can offer salting as an add-on service for $20 to $40 extra per house. It only takes like 5 minutes and uses maybe $2 worth of salt. That's an insane profit margin that you can earn. Now for the real winter money, which is Christmas lights. If you're putting up holiday lights for neighbors, it actually pays incredibly well. Literally, you can earn up to $100 to $200 per house for basic installation. If you have single-story homes with simple roof lines, these might be $150 to $300 instead. And multi-story or complex setups, even more. Think about it. Most people have their lights already. They just don't want to climb up the ladders in the cold and spend 3 hours untangling and hanging everything. So you can do that for them. And there are additional upsells here too. You can offer to put lights on bushes or set up inflatable yard decorations for extra money. Offer a service fee of $50 to $60 to come back and fix any burnt out bulbs during the season. And you can offer to take everything down in January for another fee. Literally, one installation job can turn into $300 to $400 total when you factor in the setup, maintenance, and then the takedown costs. Other winter services are worth knowing about. Patio furniture wrapping, shrink wrapping outdoor furniture to protect it from winter weather, and firewood delivery if you have access to a truck. These are more niche, but they still do exist for some customers. So, you've got services for every season, but here's where the real strategy begins. For example, how do you turn random jobs into actual, reliable, recurring income? Now, the goal here isn't one-off jobs. The goal is clients who will pay you consistently. The best way to do this is by offering season packages. Instead of charging per mow or per lawn that you clean up, offer a flat rate for the whole of summer. For example, say something like, I'll mow your lawn every week from May through September for X amount of dollars. Now you've got guaranteed income and they've got guaranteed services which clients love. And it's the same thing for winter. Literally offer a snow contract. Something like, I'll clear your driveway every time you get more than an inch of snow for the whole of winter. Now you can charge a flat rate, maybe between $500 to $1,000. And depending on your area's typical amount of snowfall, you can even charge higher. Now your neighbors and clients will get peace of mind. And for you, you'll get predictable income. Now, here's how to actually get those clients. What you want to do is start by knocking on doors. Like seriously, door knocking actually still works. Yes, you'll get rejections here and there, and you can expect to hear no 3 or 4 times before you can actually get a yes, but that's completely normal. You just need to stay consistent and keep knocking. Once you finish a job for one neighbor, you can then use it as social proof for additional neighbors. What you want to do is knock on the next door and say, hey, I just finished mowing your neighbor's lawn. Would you like me to do yours too? And that works way better than just cold knocking on random strangers because they can literally see the work that you just did. Flyers are also a great option too, especially for getting your name out there. Something simple like teen yard services, mowing leaves, snow, holiday lights with your name and number, and you can make a clean looking flyer in Canva in literally like 10 minutes. I've added a Canva link down below to check out. The key here is to keep in clients is reliability and communication. You want to show up when you say you will. Let them know if weather changed your schedule, and just do really good work for them. If you keep a simple list of all your clients, their address, what services they want, any notes about the property, Notion is a great option to store and organize all this information. There's nothing fancy that you need. You just want enough so that you remember when customers want their lawn done and any additional notes. Most adults have been burned by unreliable service people before, so being the teen who actually shows up, remembers the details, and does what they promised is honestly a massive competitive advantage. Okay, so now let's talk about the equipment. A lot of teens think they need to buy a bunch of expensive stuff before they can start offering services, and that's not true. You can actually start with zero equipment, honestly. For your first few lawn mow jobs, just ask if you can use the neighbor's lawn mower. Most people have one sitting in the garage. They're paying you for labor, not for the equipment. And once you've made some money, then you can invest in your own stuff. When you're ready to buy, you don't need new equipment. A used lawnmower on Facebook Marketplace will literally run you $80 to $100. A gas trimmer is another $80 or so. That's your basic lawn setup for under $200. And then in winter, for snow removal, a good shovel is $30. An electric snow shovel that will speed things up quite a lot is around $100 to $150. And a basic snowblower is more expensive, but it pays for itself really fast, if you can get enough clients. During fall, for leaf cleanup, a rake is basically free. A leaf blower makes things a lot faster too, and you can find used ones for $50 to $75. Point is, don't let equipment stop you from starting. Begin with what you have access to. Make money, then upgrade. Okay, so now you've got services, you've got clients, you've got equipment figured out, but what does this actually add up to? Now, let me give you the real numbers. If you're doing this casually, a few lawns in summer, some shoveling in winter, you're probably going to make around $100 to $300 a month depending on the season. But if you're treating it like a business where you're actively building up your clientele and you're offering multiple different services, you're showing up consistently, you can make literally $500 to $1,000 a month during peak seasons. Summer and winter are the biggest. Fall and spring are slower, but will still generate you income. In fact, one teen online mentioned that they make literally over $4,000 in a month just from blowing leaves during the peak fall season. That's quite a lot, but it shows you what's possible when you really commit to this. The beauty of the side hustle is that the same customers will pay you all year round. So you're not constantly hunting for new clients and neighbors to help out. You build relationships with 10 or 15 households, you offer them services every season, and you've got a real business. And it's scalable as well. Eventually, you can hire your friends to help you with the labor while you manage the clients. Or you can invest in better equipment to do jobs faster. What starts as mowing a few lawns can turn into a legitimate small business, making you thousands. And that's exactly how you turn basic yard work into a year-round income. You want to start with one service, do it super well, then upsell to the same customers through every single season. Summer lawns lead to fall leaves, lead to winter snow, and lights lead to spring cleanup. Always the same neighbors, 4 seasons of income. Now, I mentioned Canva for making the flyers to get clients, and I've linked it down below. And if you use any of the other links in the description, we get a small referral fee at no extra cost to you. It helps us keep making free videos like this, so thanks a lot in advance. And if this is helpful, hit that like button for more genuine side hustle breakdowns, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and check out this video.